In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in Adobe Express. Whether you're assembling a quick social clip or a polished mini presentation, you'll learn how to start a project, bring in your media, style your scenes, and layer in audio so everything feels cohesive. I'll point out a few choices that make a big difference so you can move from blank screen to a clean, share-worthy video. First, open Adobe Express and select Create New, then choose Video. This opens a project workspace with a timeline at the bottom and a canvas in the center. If you already have Adobe Express open, you can access the same option from the plus button. Starting here ensures your project uses the video tools rather than a static design. If prompted, give the project a clear name. Next, decide whether to use a video template or begin with a blank canvas. Templates are great because they include pre-built layouts, placeholder text, and suggested pacing. Pick one that matches your destination, like a vertical story or a square post, and you can customize every element. If you prefer total control, a blank canvas is perfect. Either way, you're not locked in. You can change colors, fonts, and scene structure as you go. Choose the route that fits your timeline and comfort level. Now upload your photos or video clips and drag them onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Import from your computer or connected libraries, then arrange by simply dropping each asset where it belongs. Keep an eye on clip length. Shorter segments often feel snappier. If a clip runs long, use the edge handles to trim. Aim for visual variety across scenes, mixing wide shots with close-ups, and check the playback preview to ensure the sequence flows naturally from one moment to the next. Enhance each scene by adding text, icons, or animations. Use text to clarify key points or captions. Make sure the font size is legible and the color contrasts well with the background. Icons can reinforce ideas without clutter. Subtle animations, like fades or slides, help transitions feel smooth. Keep motion purposeful and consistent so it supports your message rather than distracts. Finally, insert music or record a voiceover and adjust the timing so visuals and audio align. Choose music that matches the tone of your story, then lower the volume to sit under narration. Add fades at the beginning and end to avoid abrupt starts. If you're speaking, pace your lines so each scene has enough time for viewers to absorb what they're seeing. Play everything through and tweak durations until the rhythm feels natural.